Morning TikTokers, it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, and it's a really rainy day today. You can see we've got the marquee up here, look, and it's a nice cloudy day in Birmingham today, but let's have a look at the job, shall we? Right, so basically, well, where do I start? This has been done before, and quite badly, by another company. I do believe that they've used a solvent instead of a water-based finish, which basically is a lot more harder and tends to come off. So let's have a look at a closer one. Yeah, you can see it's really bad, and also as well it's quite sticky here, so I think we're gonna degrease all this as well to get all this off. I don't know what they've done it with. Let's have a look here. Yeah, it's pretty much everywhere, and it is very sticky. Let's go around to the other side. Oops, watch my head. So the passenger seat, yeah, again the same story. You can see there, still quite sticky. It's going to take a lot of degreasing this to get it back, and then what we'll do then is, once we've got a you know, a non-sticky surface, then we can make a start and get it prepped, get the colour on, get the finish on, and hopefully there's probably about 5 or 6 hours work here. We'll get this looking great again. So it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, all the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk. After video coming soon, folks. Bye for now. Hi TikTokers, well, we finished this BMW now, and as you saw before, it was in a right state. So still got the rain here, look, still got the rain here, but we've managed to cover up and get this done. So let's have a look at the job then. Okay, so now you can see, look, that the seats are looking absolutely fantastic. There's no stickiness anymore in there now. We managed to get all that off. It was a hell of a job. Let's look on the middle centre console as well. You can see, look now, look, absolutely perfect. We've sealed this as well with a nice silky finish, so these look great. I'll take a picture from here as well if I'll just get my head in the rain. There you go, look, you can see now, look. Okay, so the owner's very happy with these. In fact, let me open the door again because we've got too much rain on that side. So there's the driver's seat. That was really bad, if you remember. Okay, so you can see now they're looking absolutely great. Okay, so it's Wayne from Mobile Leather Repairs, all the W's, mobileleatherrepairs.co.uk. And if you want to book us, it's 07904 640 389, and bye for now.